I just woke up. I'm trying to make something like weird. I don't know how to explain it.
Keep that Paryo.
I just hit this spot in Atlanta and got a new pair of shoes. About to be Black Air Force activity. Bruh, I gotta clean my car.
I just like this part at the end of the hook where it's like it's after this part where
Who could unload on the punching bag the best?
bro, I tipped it over. I tipped that shit over and sand spilled everywhere, so
Don't f with Rio.
watch out. Welcome to the gun show.
Show him the new fade.
Quick. And then just go.
The next day. Q Beats pack just touched down. That one's crazy.
It's 50 BPM though.
We in the big studio today. Look at the back room, bro. You walk in here, got the PS5, got.
No, we do.
Really?
Yeah.
For you?
Yo,
Fucking suck! Yes, nigga! I wish.
blood, go in it.
Give it to me.
Let's go! It's tied.
You better do some crazy shit. Oh man. You do anything real, you don't follow. Man.
That shit was wide open though, bro.
Like your hoe. You can do a 3 if you got a 3.
You got Steph Curry? She can do it.
He set up the play. Oh, he's serious.
Oh, shit. That's just a bunch of shit on the floor.
Don't shoot it.
No.
Andre Wiggins?
You're bugging.
If that was a phase for you might have hit.
Damn.
Oh shit! Yo, I told you, bro.
Bro, you got 3 seconds.
Come on, I got it. He gonna miss it. Alright. Cause he gonna do something stupid.
You gotta give it to Steph, bro.
Oh shit, bro.
Oh.
Oh
my god.
Nigga made a diss on his head, got
Chicken is a very good texture, I must say. 8, 9 out of 10.
Do this hook part one more time.
Damn, you just drew that? Bruh. I wish I could draw.
I actually really like this beat.
That shit is hard.
Crazy.
Listen, now we have a reason.
I can't lie. I love Atlanta. Why this dude look like Future? Jamie. zoom.
It's my last life.
Intense. Y'all really just squared up?
Oh.
Good game. Good game here, bro.
Damn.
Y'all about to head up?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Did you press the red dot?
Yes.
She can't stand me. Yeah, I'm riding with my dog, you got that Glocky with the beam. And this bitch don't got no flaws, so I buy Japanese shit. She text me and she tripping, told that bitch that I can't read.